In the final trade of the day, we have a stay-home stock to talk about. Let's bring in Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot. Tell us about your trade today.
Thanks for having me, Angie. Today, I'm taking a look at Peloton. They reported earnings sometime last week. The stock is down substantially, I think just about a little over 20%, I believe. And I do think there is more downside momentum to come. So I'm definitely got my eyes on Peloton right now.
How much more downside, Joel, do you think this stock has?
Well, it's an interesting thing. I think right now, the softening of the stay-at-home trades are really coming apart. I think right now, just going into the winter months here, I think a lot of people have somewhat normalized what we think the winter will look like. Yes, masks will still be around, but that kind of shut in kind of dynamic that we saw last year, I think that is gone, in my opinion, at least. I think that, and I think Peloton is going to suffer from people wanting to get out, wanting to go back to gyms, wanting to be social physically, face to face, and have that interaction. So this is one of those stay-at-home stocks that I think is really, really under pressure. Unless they can kind of revamp or rebrand, I think they're definitely going to still feel the heat. There's some levels right around the $40 level that I'm watching. It's currently trading just about $50 a share. So I'm gonna be looking at options to trade this.
What is your option strategy?
Yeah. I think right now, since they recently reported earnings, I simply want to just look at possibly buying puts out till about December 15th. I'm looking at those 50 puts. They cost about $4 and about a little under $5, $4.90 or so right now. This will give me about 38, 39 days to hold these puts until expiration to see what happens. But definitely, I just want to buy those puts because I do think that with so many higher high days we've had in the overall market, if we do see a bit of a pullback here in the overall market, Peloton, that selling momentum will will really get charged up, and we may see that $40 target hit sooner rather than later.
Joel, always a pleasure. Thank you.
Thanks for having me, Andrew.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.